Hello and welcome again to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted ad from your browser. Like we all know while we scrolling any website and it's like giving a very and it's giving us too much ads and which make us to like the do our work on that particular website. So today I'm going to show you how you can remove it. So over here I have a website. Okay, text to speech. As you can see, it's giving me ads like over here. Okay, and like this it's popping us. Okay, so it's really inconvenient to work like this. So there is a way we can remove it. So what we have to do, we are going to download a tool called ad blocker. So it's an extension on the Chrome. So if you scroll down a bit, you will find many ad blocker extensions. So I will prefer to use this one. It's really great. So if you scroll down a bit once again, it's saying get ad blocker for the Chrome. Okay, so let's go and click on it. It will. So we are going to add over here, then add extension, and you can see it's downloading. You do not have to install or do anything. It will like attach with your Chrome automatically. So just let it download first. Okay, it's downloaded. Now it's installing. As you can see, it's installing and it's done. Okay, so the ad blocker is done. So as you can see, hi from the ad blocker plus team, thank you for installing the ad blocker. Okay, so let's close this. Now I'm going to go to the same website and you can see these ads are coming. So I'm going to refresh this and voila, no ads. But do remember, sometimes some websites are do not allow us to use ad blocker because they are earning from that. So if you are working on that kind of website, so I will say that you have to allow. But for some unwanted, uh, but for many websites, they really don't care. So yeah, you can just use this. So if you find any value from this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day.